I want to show you how easy it is to check stock on Starline.com. First thing you need to know is you do not have to log in to do any of this. Click on a product category you'd like to explore and click on an item. You can go on the right-hand side and say check inventory, and that will give you the real-time inventory position of that particular product. If it's out of stock or you're looking for something different, we're going to show you suggestions below. But here's a shortcut to check stock en masse. Go back to your product category. Here I'll take drinkware into consideration. Click Add to Idea Board. This is going to put the products that you like for this particular project into essentially a shopping cart called Idea Board. Click Open Idea Board here, or Idea Board from the top. Opens it up and it's going to show you all the products you selected. Actions. Check inventory. Real-time inventory position on all of these products. If we're low or we're out of stock, we're going to tell you when it's coming back in. If you don't feel comfortable with something like this particular product here, simply click the X and it's no longer part of your presentation. When you're ready to show these to a client, say Actions, create link, copy this link, and email it to your customer, and this is what they get. Open Starline.com with all the products on display, and you feel good about how many we have. Anything else I can do to help, let me know.